We have prepared 2 awesome DIY projects for you. Check them out. For the first project, the seamstress is sharing with you the steps on how to sew a fabulous blouse. The first important step to making this blouse are marking and cutting the fabric. Great choice of fabric design. We're loving it. How about you guys? You will also need several sewing pins to help you create the shape of the blouse before heading to the sewing machine. Wait for it. Last steps. Absolutely amazing! Let's start working on another project, because sewing clothes is so much fun. For the second project, the DIYer is showing you how to make a lovely skirt for little girls. As this skirt consists of 6 parts, that's what you should be working on first, cutting 6 similar fabric parts. It's time to firmly secure the fabric parts in a sewing machine and to finalize the skirt. The DIYer is also adding an elastic waistband for the comfort. Most commonly seen on skirts, pants and dresses, a garment with elasticized waist is easy to pull on and will stay in place all day. For the final project, the DIYer is sharing with you how to cut and sew a charming dress. We're absolutely loving this fabric pattern. Just look at it. The best part about making your own clothes with your own hands is that you have a lot more freedom in making any design that you prefer. Final steps. And here it is. Wonderful!